Hi, in this video I will show you how you can filter data quickly in Excel using sheet view. Now for example, you are in a meeting with an Excel file and there are various people interested in looking at that Excel file according to their perspective. For example, person 1 may be interested in looking at VTT product for Canada for mid-market and channel partner segments. Person 2 may be interested in looking at high discounts given during the first quarter of 2023, whereas the person 3 may be interested in looking at just Valo and Montana products for France and Germany in the year 2022. So you can see that we need to show data to three different persons with three different views, right? Let us look at the data. And you can see here we have segments, various countries, products, discount bands, and then we also have days here, right? So for each person we need to apply some filters, and it doesn't look good if you take so much time in clearing existing filters and applying new filters when you want to show it to someone else, right? So there must be some quick way to do that, to switch between various filters, right? So before we apply filter, we can go to view, and here you can see that we have sheet view tab or sheet view group. Okay, here you can save those filters. So before you apply any filter, click on new, and you can see that these column labels and row numbers have turned black. That tells us that we are in a temporary view. Okay, so in this view we need to apply filters and then we can save it to be used later. So let us talk about person 1, and he is interested in looking at VTT product for Canada for mid-market and channel partners segments. Let us apply filters for person 1. So first the product is VTT, okay, and the country is Canada, and finally we have two segments that need to be selected, and that is channel partners and mid-market. And now our data is ready for the first person to be viewed. Now what's the benefit here? The person can also look at the figures, the summary of the data along with this chart, plus he can also look at the details, right? So everything can be seen in one sheet. No need to switch between sheets. Now that we have applied filter, we can click on exit in the sheet view, and it will ask the name. Let me give it the name person 1 and click on keep. Okay, as soon as you click on keep, it moves out of temporary view and again it is in default view now. Let us now apply filters for person 2, that is high discounts given in the first quarter of 2023. So now we need to apply filter on discount bands and then the dates. Let's do that. Click on new. Again we are in a temporary view. So now we will apply filters for person 2. That is first is for high discount bands, high discount band, and then first quarter of 23, January, February and March. Now we are done with the filters. Let us save it, click on exit and give it a name, person 2. You can use spaces in these names and click on keep, right? Again click on new for the third person, and for third person we need to apply these filters. The products are Valo and Montana for France and Germany, and the year is 2022. Okay, let's apply filters for this person 3. Let us go to products. Products are Valo and Montana. Valo. And then we have countries France and Germany. France and Germany, right? And finally the year 2022. You're done with the filters for person 3. Let us save it, click on exit, or you can also click on keep and give it a name here itself, person 3. Okay, and click on exit now. So we are done with all the filters that have been saved here in this list. Let me show you person 1, 2 and 3. So now you can quickly switch between these filters and look at these figures and details as well along with the chart. Right, go to person 2. Now let us recall for person 2 we need high discount band and the year 2023. Let us verify it. The discount band, right, it is high and the year is 2023. The first quarter of 23. Yeah, right. So this way you can quickly switch between various views. The data is getting filtered automatically, right? And another thing is that if you want to delete these views, you can go to options, and here you can quickly either rename, duplicate or delete these views. You can also rename the view here itself. Okay, and that's it. If you go to default view, it will remove all the filters. Okay, so I hope you like this video. For more such useful videos, do subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching.